The next thing that we're going to do is to add some titles to this chart. Right now this doesn't say anything, we don't know what this represents, so we're going to have Excel generate the titles. Make sure they have the chart tools design layout and format shown in here. If for any reason you don't see that in here, it means that you clicked somewhere else outside your chart. So just give one click inside the chart. Now right now I see all the things that I need, and I'm gonna click at the chart tools layout, and I would like you to click where it says chart title, and then we got none, center, and above chart. Click the centered overlay title, triple click the area within the chart title object, so click, and now type 6-month financial projection. Now once again triple click the text in here to select it all, 1, 2, 3. We're going to ask for an underline, so we're going to go to the home tab, and we're going to look and click at underline. Let's go back to chart tools layout. This time let's look at legend. The legend represents this group of data right here, and what this is showing me is that for each color it tells me what that color represents, so July, August, and so on. So I'm going to look at legend, and I could change the position of the legend. I could say right now it says on the right. I could put it at the top, left, bottom, so if I want that on the bottom. Okay, actually for this particular project I'm going to say that I do not want a legend. Why? Because I'm going to be labeling each one of the slices of this pie right here. So I'm going to go to legend and select none. Now that we removed the legend, we can add labels around the slices in here. So to do that, we go to data labels and pick outside end, meaning that they're going to be shown on the outside here. And now it's just giving us the values for each one of those, but it doesn't tell us what those numbers represent. Okay, so if you right click any one of the labels that appeared, we can go to format data labels, and it gives us more options as to what should be included in that label. So right now we want percentage, and we want series name. Actually, we want category name, and we want to do away with value, and we don't need to show the leader lines. So click close, and now it shows us the percentage, okay, and what is it that this represents. The next thing that I want to do is to rotate this chart so that November shows up right here at the top, okay, and August shows right on the bottom. So to do that, I'm going to click at 3D rotation, and at the X in here, make that 90 degrees. And then click close. And notice that now we move this by 90 degrees to the right. So now November is at the top and August is at the bottom. The next thing that we're going to do is to format the pie chart. So to do that, we're going to do a right click. First right click inside the chart, and then select Format Data Series, pick 3D format, click top in the bevel selection, and then look at the first selection here and pick circle, and we want to increase this number over here and keep an eye on here to see what's going to happen as we increase this to 50. Okay, I'm just going to type it in 50, and then the height I'm going to make it 50 also. See how this changed over here? Okay, now we click close and look at the edge at the top of this pie. Once again, let me do a right click, then we go to Format Data Series, then we go to 3D format, and this time let me pick material, and let me pick in the special effect, the soft edge. Click close, and notice that now I can see the beginning of the next